I'm on Lutwyche Road at Lutwyche at the moment, and I'm here to have a look at a World War II bomb shelter. This is probably the most obvious bomb shelter in Brisbane. There's quite a few of them around, but it's actually a bus stop. So this was built in response to the Japanese threat back in World War II. It's just a concrete fabricated roof. I'm not quite sure exactly how effective it was. It doesn't appear that there were any walls on it, so it was just to protect people from above. But there's quite a few of them around Brisbane, but this is probably the most obvious one.